Welcome to today's video, where we'll tackle a common issue that many of us have experienced at some point. How to stop your stomach from making noises. Stomach rumbling can be embarrassing, and it often seems to happen at the worst possible moments. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind those pesky stomach noises and provide you with practical tips to keep them at bay. Let's get started. 1. Understanding stomach noises. Before we dive into the solutions, let's first understand why your stomach makes those sounds. Your stomach and intestines are constantly at work, digesting the food you eat. During this process, your digestive system produces a series of noises that are perfectly normal. These sounds are often referred to as borborygmi. Borborygmi occur due to the movement of gas and fluids through your gastrointestinal tract. This movement is essential for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste. The sounds are caused by the muscles contracting and pushing these materials along, and they can range from gentle gurgles to louder, more noticeable rumbles. 2. Hunger and empty stomach. One common reason for stomach noises is an empty stomach. When your stomach is empty, the sounds produced can be more pronounced. This happens because there is less food in your stomach to muffle the noise. These hunger-induced sounds are natural and nothing to be concerned about. They're a sign that your body is ready for nourishment. To reduce these noises, consider eating regular, balanced meals and healthy snacks throughout the day. This can help keep your stomach from getting too empty and prevent those loud, hunger-related noises. 3. Gas and air swallowing. Another common source of stomach noises is the swallowing of air. When you eat or drink, it's normal to swallow some air along with your food or beverages. However, excessive air swallowing can lead to increased gas in your digestive system, which in turn can cause more pronounced stomach noises. To minimize this, try to eat and drink slowly and avoid gulping down your food. Chewing your food thoroughly can also help reduce the amount of air you swallow. Carbonated beverages and drinking through straws can introduce more air into your system, so it's a good idea to limit their consumption. 4. Gastric motility. Gastric motility refers to the movement of food and fluids through your stomach and intestines. The sounds produced during this process can be quite noticeable. Factors like stress, anxiety, and certain medical conditions can affect gastric motility and make your stomach noises more prominent. Engaging in relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing or mindfulness, can help reduce stress and anxiety, potentially calming your stomach. If you suspect an underlying medical condition is causing these noises, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment. 5. Diet and food choices. What you eat plays a significant role in the sounds your stomach makes. Certain foods are known to produce more gas in the digestive system, leading to louder stomach noises. These foods often include beans, broccoli, cabbage, and carbonated beverages. To minimize these noises, you can try adjusting your diet. Identify which foods tend to trigger stomach noises for you and consider reducing your intake of these items. Instead, focus on a well-balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. 6. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for your overall health, but the way you consume liquids can also impact your stomach noises. If you tend to gulp down beverages quickly, you may swallow more air, leading to increased gas and noise in your stomach. To avoid this, sip your beverages slowly and try not to use a straw, as it can introduce extra air into your system. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial, so remember to drink water regularly throughout the day. 7. Overeating. Overeating can lead to stomach discomfort and increased noises as your digestive system works overtime to process a large volume of food. It's essential to listen to your body's hunger cues and stop eating when you feel satisfied, rather than continuing to eat until you're overly full. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help prevent overeating and reduce the chances of your stomach making excessive noise. It's all about finding the right balance that works for your body. 8. Food allergies and sensitivities. Some individuals have specific food allergies or sensitivities that can lead to stomach discomfort and noises. If you suspect that a particular food is causing these issues, consider keeping a food diary to track your symptoms and identify any patterns. If you discover that certain foods consistently lead to stomach noises or discomfort, it's wise to consult a healthcare professional or a dietitian for guidance on managing your diet and addressing food allergies or sensitivities. 9. Lifestyle tips. In addition to dietary adjustments, there are several lifestyle tips that can help reduce stomach noises. Avoid tight clothing. Tight clothing can put pressure on your abdomen, potentially increasing stomach noises. Opt for looser, comfortable clothing. Regular exercise. Staying physically active can promote healthy digestion. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Manage stress. As mentioned earlier, stress can affect gastric motility. Incorporate stress reduction techniques into your daily routine. Stay upright after meals. Try to remain in an upright position for at least 30 minutes after eating to help prevent stomach acid from flowing back into your esophagus, which can contribute to discomfort and noises. Conclusion. In conclusion, stomach noises are a common, natural occurrence, but they can be managed with some simple adjustments to your diet and lifestyle. Remember that in most cases, these sounds are nothing to be embarrassed about, as they are a part of your body's natural digestive processes. If you're concerned about the frequency or intensity of your stomach noises, or if they are accompanied by other troubling symptoms, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for a thorough evaluation. They can help determine if an underlying medical condition is contributing to the issue and provide appropriate guidance and treatment. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding and addressing stomach noises. If you have any tips or experiences to share, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative and accessible content. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.